somewhere with a view anyway, so we can get a coffee. Looks like the end of a video game, like it's in the outermost limit of the map, the place where you can't cross. That's what these mountains look like. Slight bit of haze, or smoke haze or mist fog something. Exactly like a video game. Yesterday's video, but I'm going to say it again. It is so hard to concentrate on driving on these windy roads while you've got this view all around you that you just want to stare at. It's so beautiful out in these mountains. So lush, so green. Just amazing to be out here. Oh yeah, I was dragging out there for a while. A bit of hemp from the shop got stuck.
You two playing leapfrog or something?
What?
You two playing leapfrog?
What leapfrog?
Say hello.
Hello.
That's for you.
Is it start? Is it filming now?
Yeah. I'm talking about you. You're meant to go to vlog takeover. Roads just out here. This is where we came from. All the way down here, all the way, windy roads. Just having a quick coffee stop and then I'm going to get back into it. Big backpack.
Hey Dallas,
Just remember though,
smell. So this all is corn?
Corns. And the very big green one here. This one for the hemp.
Ah, okay.
Yes. The different leaf you can see.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot fuller here with the hemp.
Yes. And from the end of September or November, that time you come here, see that will change into rice here with yellow color. That time in like the rice ready to harvest it.
Nice. Our guide, or one of our guides, the first one to drop a bike.
You know what I really hate is it never normally gets itchy, but when you're wearing something on it and you can't physically scratch it, it gets itchy, and it's frustrating as hell.
Okay, everybody say aww. Destination here is called the, now I hope I'm getting this right, the Tham Ma Pass. Used to be an old horse pass. You can see behind me the trail, just between the mountains on either side. So you got the mountain pass with the windy road all the way through. Check it out. Well, so it looks like we got here at a bad time because all the tour buses are starting to rock up now. So this place is going to be packed in a matter of minutes, so I think we're heading off shortly.
I'm pretty sure on that bus is almost going to take out my bike.
Yes, correct. So I have to move your bike now. So all the locals from this area all have the traditional Hmong wear, and then over this way they actually sell some of it down there, along with snacks, drinks, all sorts of things. Ooh, but this view is to die for. I don't know how far you can see up over the mountains. I'm hoping it's just mist and not rain, because it's been a beautiful day so far. And we've just gotten really lucky with this weather. All the forecasts predicted rain and thunderstorms, and day to day the weather is just changing in our favour. So young boys over there doing their traditional flute playing. Hopefully we've got some footage there with the trucks passing us and trying to navigate around them on the dirt part of the road. Big potholes, dust flying up everywhere. I did bring a face mask for the dust today in the bum bag. I haven't put it on yet. As soon as we stop again and get moving, I'm going to have to do it. There's so many trucks picking up dust, getting under the sunnies, and after that, I do have to turn the camera off now. It's not quite safe to let my arms off the handlebars. So just then, while we made a quick fuel stop, decided to mask up. I had that gritty sand feeling in my teeth, getting stuck behind all of those trucks, picking up all the dirt. So I decided to chuck the mask on, and also, a second benefit, realizing that you guys are probably sick of looking up my nose with this camera view. So apologies for that, but yeah, should have had this on from the get-go this morning. And I just taste my mouth until lunchtime, unfortunately, but lesson learned. Look at this. Cliff. Or mountain. Little road between. Harvesting the crop. Looks like lemongrass. Editing this is going to be a challenge. There's going to be so much footage, and every time I want to turn the camera off, because we obviously can't film the entire day, we can only film the snippets. You just see an amazing, breathtaking view come past. Given that viewpoint of the Tham Ma Pass, I've been getting that right, and it looks like we've got some cloud coverage, but between the mountains here, the weather has just dropped to like this ridiculous cool breeze, and it's such a relief from the last couple of hours on the bike. So nice and cool. I don't know whether it's because there's a little bit of cloud coverage coming through, or whether because the sun is behind some of these mountains, but just it's so breezy, such a cool sense of the place. But I've got a feeling as soon as we get through the rest of this pass and out into the main stretch of the main roads and the cities, we're just going to heat right up. But hopefully we've got lunch stop soon, so just after midday now. Let's see where the day takes us. For a proper drink. I was so looking forward to that iced coffee that I ordered at the viewpoint. I don't know what it was. It was like a black coffee, barely above room temp or ambient temp.
With like, yeah, some diluted ice or something in it.
And the cup was this side and it was half. And it was 45,000 dong. So what was meant to be a cool off drink,
So this is
it wasn't.
the palace of Hmong King. He was the king of Hmong people on this region. He was moved. His family moved from China a very long times ago. And before he became a Hmong king, he was very poor Hmong man, and he do very hard work and very powerful at that time. And then the people that really respectful to him. And then the king Hmong people they call him the king. To leading the people around this area to protect the area. And because that time I think during the China War as well, and a little bit of French. And when before they build, he built the palace, he invited one man, Chinese man guy, come to find the idea, to find the feng shui, to build a palace right here. So right here we we call this the back of turtle. So during China War they attacked Vietnam. So this palace they cannot throw the mines or the bombs or anything come through here. So protected by the very high mountain. So they start to build the palace in 1898 and then in 1903 in about 9 years, and he had to pay 150 billion Vietnam dong at that time.
At that time?
Yeah, yeah, it's very expensive. And both of the rock here is represent the coffee and the opium. These are other names.
The king's robe. You see in that photo above. That's it in the glass case. Big dragon on it.
Hope that this is enough light for the GoPro. But this is the top or second top level of palace here. This is basically the watchtower. So we've got to have the armory up here, and all these.
The armory. With little hidey holes to shoot.
Yeah. Very cool. So this is the main watchtower, I think, 2 levels up. You've got the bay windows, not bay windows, are open, but you've also got more of these shoot holes, what would you call them? Not shoot holes. I'm sure there's a name for them.
That's a pretty good description of it, huh?
Yeah. Oh. And then we've got the main watchtower. Jeez.
It's tiny up there.
Yeah. 360 views.
And the guard tower here. But it's so tiny, you've got to be on your knees to crawl around.
Yeah.
The positioning of this guard tower isn't really seemingly that strategic because the roof blocks all your views. Like, who are you going to shoot?
Well, the roofs.
I guess this side you can shoot, but to the rear here, there's buildings. The front, there's buildings. So it's really only the sides that you got a decent vantage point to be able to shoot people. Strange.